My name's Drew Kennedy from part of A. Kennedy and Son, Tom of Cluny Farm, Aberfeldy, here in Highland Perthshire, right in the middle of Scotland. We are an upland farm, upland unit with about 200 head of cattle. We have 100 suckler cows, Belgian Blue Cross, Frisian suckler cows put to a Limousin bull. All of our feeding is homemade silage, which is all made with undersown barley, cut and put into bales. The first I ever saw of a hustler was actually watching on a YouTube video, believe it or not, and when I saw this machine working, I thought it was the potential of really working here at home. I asked if I could get a demonstration, and the demonstration worked incredibly well. I had previous machines that required a lot of maintenance, and this seemed to be a very simple machine, little or no maintenance, and I think it would last a long time. We used to put bales and feeders and bunkers, and the cattle were spending half their day trying to pull the feed out. Whereas now, when we unroll the bale, they come forward, they can feed quickly, they fill themselves quickly, and then they can just go back and lie down and thrive. And we noticed a big difference in our cattle this year, in as much as they fleshed up quicker, simply because they didn't have to work too hard for their feed. But well, we've got 4 different types of way we feed cattle here, and it does them all. It's quick to work, it unrolls a bale in less than a minute. We've rolled out about 1,250, 1,300 bales so far this year with it, and it's never missed a beat. So we used to feed ad lib silage. We're now being able to ration it, and because the cattle are feeding quicker, us being able to ration, we've actually got bales over here that we're going to have left over for next year. Normally we're actually buying in silage by this time, so that's going to be a big saving for next year as well. Back in the day, there was a lot of it actually forked out, and we've stopped doing that now. It's actually doing it better than I could do it manually. And as I say, you know, our feed times were probably saving potentially about an hour a day. The fact that we're saving time, doing it better for the animals, which is the key thing really, because if we don't look after the animals, they don't look after us, and it's quite an important thing to have.